to my channel. My name's Katie. I hope you are doing well and you are getting on okay at this time. So today's video is going to be a two-parter. Now, today what I'm going to do is I've been attempting to tie-dye some t-shirts. When I say tie-dye, I mean bleach. So I have been bleaching some clothes. So here are a few examples that I'm actually quite happy with. So I've got this Metallica t-shirt, and I was really pleased with how the bleaching went on here. So that went really well. I've got just a vest top that I wear. I think I've got a video of me in it a couple of weeks ago. And this one I was really pleased with because I just think that looks really cool. And to begin with anyway, I was just testing it out because I'd already got like hair bleach on it. So I just thought I might as well do that. And then here is another black t-shirt that's turned out really well as well. It's this t-shirt here. And then if I flip it around the back there, we've got a little bit of bleaching on the back. There are a couple of other things that I did bleach. Now the bleach I used was a supermarket bleach, supermarket grade bleach. This time what I've done is I've upgraded to Domestos basically, and I'm going to see if I can get better results with a different bleach. So here is a t-shirt that I did bleach with the supermarket bleach, but it just didn't, I mean, I don't know if you'll be able to even see it on the camera. It just didn't take, you know, it took a little bit out, but it really didn't do as much as I thought it would. Okay, so I'm going to re-bleach this t-shirt. I did it on this t-shirt. You can't, I don't even think, I mean, it's very, very, very faint, but you can't even see it on that t-shirt. So I'm gonna do that one. And then also I've got a hoodie here that I absolutely drenched this in bleach and it just didn't do anything. This sweatshirt hoodie that I've cropped, and also a pair of jeans. Now that you can kind of see sort of where the bleach was, but I want it a lot more stronger than that. So this week's video I'm going to show you how I did it, and then next week we'll see what the results are, because quite frankly I really don't know what I'm doing wrong. So let's see if I can get these bleached. So I've got my jeans and I'm going to put them in the bath. I'll lower you down, and then I've got my Domestos. So let's see what happens. So as you can see, we're starting to get a difference already. I just think it maybe was the bleach. I think that was the problem. So I'm quite happy with that. I'm going to just let that soak in a little bit more, and then I'm going to do some more on the other side, I think. Because what I'm going to do with these jeans is I'm going to cut them up and kind of put holes in, really distress them, really make them really distressed. So I'm really pleased with how this section has turned out. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to flip it round and do the other side. There we go. And now we can do the back side. In about 10 minutes, what I'll do is I'll come and rinse it all off. Okay. Nice little design. So I will be back in 10 minutes. Okay, so I'm quite pleased with how this has turned out. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to rinse it all off, because I think that's about as much as I want for the time being. And I'm going to rinse it off, and then we can move on to the next stage. We can move on to the next stage. going to put that in the sink now, and then we can move on to the rest. Right, so I've literally just bundled up the hoodie and the 2 scarves. And I'm literally just going to go ahead and pour it. Here we go. Okay, so this is what we've got so far. I'm quite pleased with the colour of that, so I'm going to rinse that one off and that one, I think. But this hoodie, it just will not do it. I don't know what's in it, but we'll have to wait and see how it turns out. So if you want to find out how these things wash up and what they look like once they've been washed and dried, then tune in next week and I will style these all up. I really do hope that they turn out right. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you are well, as I say. If you are subscribed, then please click that notification bell. But if you're not subscribed, do it. Do it. We have fun over here. Thank you so much for watching. You look after yourselves, you look after everybody else. The world is your catwalk. And remember, keep creating!